Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials. Open DXDiag to confirm DirectX and driver details, then note any error codes. Once done, create a system restore point and backup game saves so you can revert changes if needed. Make sure to close background apps and record the exact crash time. This helps correlate logs. Now download the latest GPU driver and DirectX redistributable from the official source, but do not install yet. Prepare installers and a safe reboot window. You'll run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to repair system files. This fixes many DirectX-related DLL failures. Once those finish, uninstall GPU drivers using Device Manager or the in safe mode, then perform a clean install of the verified driver. If crashes start after an update, roll back immediately. Next, install the DirectX redistributable and required Visual C++ runtimes, and apply any game patches. Make sure to reboot between major steps so changes take full. You finish by testing the app with lowest graphics settings and monitoring event viewer and GPU driver logs for specific failures. These logs tell you whether it's a software or hardware fault. Once done, try compatibility mode, run the program as administrator, and verify a fresh Windows user profile to exclude profile corruption. If problems persist, perform a GPU stress test, and as one key troubleshooting tip, swap in a known good GPU or test on another PC to isolate hardware from software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.